In 2018, I decided to draw cartoon people from real life references, but it sucked. So, in this video, I'm gonna find the reason why I can't cartoonize people from real life references. Back to 2018, the reason was obvious. First, I couldn't even draw. Second, I couldn't draw. That's the only reason. But now that I'm practicing for almost 2 years, digital art for only a month by the way, I want to see if I can cartoonize people now. I completely realized that I can't yet. I might find the reason at the middle of the video or at the end of the video. So, keep watching until the end to find out the reason. First, I started watching some tutorial videos about cartooning people on YouTube. Some of them were so helpful, and the most common tips that I learned was to find the overall shapes of the reference. Also finding the flow and the main lines. Don't look at that, it needs a lot of practice and we have a long way to go. After that, I searched for some cartoonizing samples to get some inspiration on Pinterest. How cool people are cartoonizing. I hope this is not AI. Then we jump to the next reference.
Hit the like button, show me your if you want.
Like the video before I show you more of my talents. I think this is going to be a bit better. I want to make the catty ears a bit bigger because we are free to make changes. Yep, a little bit nice. So for the next reference, I did the same thing, finding the flow and the shapes. But it didn't turn out very well. So the next one. I'm referencing Chongo to do my best. Let's go. Well, not that bad, but seems like something is really missing. I feel like something is wrong. Let's just continue. Maybe it's gonna be better. It's gonna get better by practicing, maybe. Let's just continue. Also, in some of the tutorial videos that I watched, they mentioned that it's better to choose people with special facial features. For example, a special hairstyle or pretty cool people or maybe funny faces to be more cartoonizable. I think we have to stylize and change the character's chain, eyes, hair and all of that stuff in a way that it's pretty cool and recognizable at the same time. I mean, it should feel like the character you're trying to reference. Not like this. It looks like the corpse bride, isn't it? Well, it could be something like Merida from Brave Animation. Let's take another attempt. Looks like a tired turtle. I'm gonna keep practicing. This one is not bad, but again, it's so far from some cool stylized characters that I expect. Let's just go with this cute reference. You know, I realized something right now. We should try to make the characters' features bolder when cartoonizing them. For example, if my reference here is cute, the cartoonized version should be cuter. But here my reference is cuter than what I draw. I mean, this is not cute at all. It's so interesting. While I know where's the problem, I can't find the solution. So I think it's my first time drawing an old man. Let's go. Okay, the same problem exists with my characters. They are getting just a little bit better. That's right, but if I want to cartoonize people like pro artists, I have to find my weak points. I think this one is the only fine cartoonizing among the rest. So, after a lot of thinking, I figured out the reason. Head turnaround. Yeah, that's right. My weak point was drawing characters' head turnaround, especially eyes turnaround. But also there could be other reasons, which I'll discover step by step in the next video. So if you want to know how I solve this problem and become a pro in cartoonizing people, subscribe because the next video will be about how I learned to cartoonize like pro artists. So if you don't want to miss that,